Jada toys remote control cars that are open. Here are the Fast and Furious small scale remote control cars, the Dodge Charger and the Nissan GTR. Here is the bigger scale remote control cars. We got 2 Fast and Furious cars here, and all the rest are Hyperchargers. And this Hypercharger here in front of you is the Jurassic Park 6x6 G63 or G63 6x6, 6 wheels, and it's pretty cool because it's a Hypercharger. I think you get more juice out of the battery powered cars like the Fast and Furious, if you like to do spin outs and stuff. The Hyperchargers just don't have enough power to spin the cars out. And here is the Hypercharger Police Corvette Stingray. Here's the Hellcat Hypercharger, and here is the Camaro Hypercharger.